guys, here we are at Scopwick level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Jamie. There we go, time is 10:51 on Sunday the 7th of February 2016. This is for our 10 and 49, 1 hour for 92, Hull train service from Hull to Lincoln's Cross. That alarm is not very good, just like Blake Downs again. Even though Blake Downs got a new alarm now. Barrier boom assembly. Even though Blake Downs now got a new alarm, it just sounds the same as it did when it was broken. Jamie, what are you doing? That's in my video, you know. You know she's... Oh, right. Scopwick's got a load of broken LED lights in its amber, in the amber light. Got like 10 bulbs gone. Amy, I can hear that noise going on forever.
Bulbs, I'd call them like, I don't know, diodes?
Yeah, diodes, that's a very good name for them. Because it does stand for light emitting diode. I think I can hear it. Jamie, that's enough of that. That's all you can hear. Here she is, we've got 180, 113. 113 to the London King's Cross, and
Down they go.
up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's videos.